The 2025 Subaru Ascent is designed for you and your family to take on the biggest adventures. With its 3 rows of flexible seating and extensive cargo space, pursue your passion safely with everyone you care about the most, and make every trip the journey of a lifetime with genuine Subaru accessories. Include genuine Subaru accessories in your monthly payment plan. It's a convenient option, an ideal way to reduce your upfront expenses. Talk to your sales consultant for more details. Come along with us as we explore a selection of genuine Subaru accessories now available for your Subaru Ascent. Whether on a daily commute or a weekend adventure, you'll be equipped to provide a safe journey for everyone. Travel together in confidence with genuine Subaru protection and security accessories. Let's take a look at a few of them now. Color-matched and designed to complement the styling of your Ascent, body side moldings help protect your doors from dents. Door edge guards help protect your door edges from dings and chips. And door scuff protectors help keep shoe scuffs and scrapes off the inside of your doors. Roll your windows down to let fresh air in and keep inclement weather out. Compared to aftermarket parts, genuine Subaru side window deflectors are engineered for a seamless fit and evaluated for water intrusion. All-weather floor liners help protect the interior carpet from spills, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. Front seat covers help keep your front seats clean and tidy. Custom fitted with full coverage design, they also protect the seat backs and seat back pocket from wear and tear. For times when a little extra room is needed to transport larger cargo, lower your back seats and keep them protected from damage with the rear seat back protector, available for the 3rd row bench, 2nd row bench, and 2nd row captain's chairs. With its impressive cargo and passenger space, you'll be completely content on every commute. Make every journey the most enjoyable yet with genuine Subaru comfort and convenience accessories. Begin all your travels in comfort with the remote engine starter. With the push of a button, you can start your Ascent and adjust its interior temperature before even entering the vehicle. The sunshade helps reduce the interior temperature up to 40 degrees, ideal for warm weather travels. And the 2nd row sunshade dulls sun glare and provides UVA and B protection to passengers in the back seat. For maximum protection, extend sunshades to the 3rd row. This hands-free accessory securely holds your mobile phone and can be tilted in a variety of angles. It also includes a tray to conveniently hold small personal belongings. Protect the trunk area from dirt, stains, and other messes with the cargo tray. The surface of the tray also helps keep your gear from sliding around while driving. Keep your items organized and secure in the back of your Ascent with the cargo net. The net can be used in 2 ways. Anchor it to the sides of the cargo area to help prevent shifting from front to back, or lay it across the floor to help keep things from rolling around. And keep your items in the back out of sight with the maximum coverage, fully retractable cargo cover. The new LED cargo area light significantly enhances visibility in the cargo area with bright white overhead lighting. Add to the distinguishing features of your Ascent to make it distinctively yours. Genuine Subaru-style accessories help you add a personal touch to your vehicle. Featuring bright white lighting, the illuminated cargo sill adds an attractive accent to the upper surface of the cargo sill while helping protect it from scratches and scuffs. Lighting is activated when the hatch is opened and turns off when the hatch is closed. Illuminate the dark corners of the front floor area with a gentle blue glow with the footwell illumination kit. To enhance the illumination of the standard visor lights, the LED upgrade provides more flattering bright white interior lighting. LED bulbs are carefully color-tuned to provide flattering interior lighting. Door projector lights add to the styling of your vehicle by projecting a silhouette of the Ascent onto the ground when the front doors are open. And side sill plates add some protection and dress up the door frame. The metallic finished panels come in a set of 4. When your family adventures become larger than life, genuine Subaru accessories by Thule give you extra room to bring everything you need for all the places you love to go. Add a crossbar set to increase your cargo carrying capabilities. There are 2 styles to choose from depending on what Ascent you drive and on your style and function preferences. The crossbar set Aero is designed and validated to minimize wind noise. The Thule Crossbar Set Aero Extended features a large surface area to mount multiple accessories and is also available in black for bronze and onyx edition trims. Pack all your family belongings in the Thule Cargo Carrier, Cargo Carrier Extended, or Heavy-Duty Roof Cargo Basket. For excursions on the water, carry your kayak or your paddleboard, or bring along your skis or snowboards for winter adventures. Transform your vehicle into a home away from home. The Rooftop Tent by Thule not only provides more living space for you, it also gives you more space for your gear. Easy to deploy once you complete the initial setup, the tent comfortably sleeps up to 3 people, features panoramic skylights and windows to keep you cool, and the tent well ventilated. Provide shelter from the sun and rain, and expand your outdoor living space with the Thule awning. This accessory can be used in conjunction with the Thule Rooftop Tent or other genuine Subaru rooftop accessories. You can carry your bikes from above with the roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier. Haul your bikes behind you with the hitch-mounted bike carrier, available with either 2-bike or 4-bike capacity. And the hitch platform carrier is designed to transport bikes with carbon frames, mountain or downhill bikes, e-bikes, and fat bikes. Hitch platform and hitch-mounted bike carriers require the genuine Subaru trailer hitch. Stay fully charged for a seamless connection on every commute with the wireless charger. Or our new USB charging cables are an option for you and your passengers to quickly charge mobile devices. Packaged in a Subaru-branded storage case, the set of 4 USB charging cables are designed in signature Subaru blue and offer superior quality and durability compared to typical aftermarket cables. Memories are made with your family, and that includes your furry family too. Safely bring your pets along on every adventure and surround them in comfort with genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories. For your canine or feline, the pet carrier and mobile pet bed can be used as a car seat to keep your pets safe during all your travels. And the collapsible pet kennel safely secures your dog in the cargo area of the vehicle. They're both ideal for travel and everyday transport. Buckle up your dog in the crash-tested Center for Pet Safety certified pet harness, designed to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. The pet ramp is especially suited for senior dogs or dogs with mobility issues and allows easy vehicle entrance and exit. When not in use, the ramp folds down to store in the cargo area. Help keep your interior protected from nail scratches, pet hair, muddy paws, and infamous dog drool with the pet-friendly padded seat protector. Second row seat cover rear, pet rear door protector, and console lid protector. Increase the backseat resting area for your dog to stretch out comfortably during long trips. The pet rear seat extender helps keep your pet calm and comfortable by filling the gap between the front and rear seat, and also provides an organized compartment to store pet gear or other personal items. Thanks for taking the time to see a wide assortment of genuine Subaru accessories that are now available. Be sure to talk to your sales consultant to learn about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories for your Subaru Ascent. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.